Let's do a quick unboxing of OPPO Find X9. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, what accessories do we get, and how does the phone look like. So over here, we of course have this little paper box where we can find, I believe, a bunch of papers. We have the quick guide. Let me check if there's anything else. No. So we have the quick guide, a bunch of papers, of course. There's also the safety guide and the eject tool for the SIM tray. All right. Besides that, we can find, of course, our smartphone. And behind it, we have the USB-C cable together with the adapter that converts USB-A to USB-C, because this cable is USB-A to USB-C, but if needed, we can, of course, use this adapter to convert it into double USB-C on both ends. So pretty cool stuff. It's really good that they included such a thing. Now, besides that, what we can also of course find is some information, a QR code that we can use to visit the website. And now what we're gonna do is take a look at the phone itself. And there we go, this is how the device looks like. I picked the dark color, the black one. Over here at the top, we can actually find the IR blaster over here. So for those who are looking for a more expensive smartphone that has IR blaster, then of course we have one example over here. Besides that, on the right side we have, of course, volume buttons and the power button. On the left side we have the side key, of course. Besides that, at the bottom we have the USB-C port. We also have the SIM tray, of course, microphone and speakers over here. And of course, the back has cameras and the camera flashlight. There we go. And that's pretty much it. This is how the phone looks like, and this is what we can get inside. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.